In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Cursor AI. By the end, you'll have a clean, markdown copy of your conversation that you can store, share, or use in your documentation. First, launch Cursor AI. Open the application the same way you normally do for coding or chat workflows. Give it a moment to load your environment so everything in the interface is responsive. If you work across multiple machines or profiles, make sure you're signed into the correct setup so you see the right projects and chats. Next, launch the project that contains the chat you want to export. Open the project folder or workspace just as you would when you start coding. This matters because Cursor ties each chat to a specific project context, including the files and prompts you've been working with. Opening the correct project helps ensure you export the exact conversation you expect, especially if you juggle several chats across different repositories. Now, look at the chat panel and head to the chat header. In the top area of that chat window, find the three dots, sometimes called the overflow menu. It's usually on the right side of the header. If you have multiple chats, click into the specific conversation first so the menu applies to the right one. When you click the three dots, you'll see a small menu of actions for that chat. From that menu, choose Export Chat. Cursor will save the entire conversation as a markdown file with the .md extension. That format preserves text structure and code blocks, making it easy to read, version control, or convert. Depending on your system, you may be prompted to pick a save location, or it might go straight to your default downloads folder. If you want to keep things organized, consider moving the file into your project's docs or notes directory right after downloading. You can open the .md file in any text editor or markdown viewer, and it works great with tools like Git, wikis, and Node apps. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Before exporting, verify you're in the correct chat by glancing at the most recent messages and the project name. After exporting, skim the markdown file to ensure it includes the content you need, and remove anything sensitive like tokens or private snippets before sharing. If you plan to publish the chat, you can lightly format headers or add a short summary at the top of the markdown file without changing the original conversation. That's the whole process. Launch Cursor AI, open the right project, use the three-dot menu in the chat header, and select Export Chat to generate a markdown file you can keep and reuse.